And there's something else that's really beautiful. You see, the struggle in trying to keep away from looking at haram, it's private. It's between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nobody else can see it. So when there's that haram image and you turn away from it, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sees that. And you see, when you look away, Allah replaces a sweetness in your heart when you look away from that haram. And in fact, it is one of the greatest acts of worship because it's intimate and private between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So look, it's not easy. It's a jihad and it's a struggle. We'll make mistakes, we'll fall down. But always remember, Allah is there and He's near. Pick yourself up again, turn back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and continue on this path. And before you know it, Allah will accept your actions and bring you nearer to Him, insha'Allah.